Making frozen gummy bears is a simple and fun treat to prepare. So you're going to start by grabbing your favorite gummy bears, which you can buy from most grocery stores. And once you have the gummy bears, you're going to need a freezer-safe container, such as a small bowl or a plastic tray, to hold them during the freezing process. To begin, spread the gummy bears in a single layer in the container. This is going to help them freeze and eventually prevent them from sticking together. So you can choose to freeze a large batch or just a small amount, depending on how many you want to make. All right. Now, after arranging the gummy bears, place the container in the freezer and then let them freeze for several hours. The exact time may vary depending on the size and type of the gummy bears, but generally a few hours should be enough for them to solidify. Now, once they're frozen, you can enjoy the gummy bears as a cool, chewy snack on hot days. The freezing process makes them firmer and gives them a fun, icy texture. If you want to get creative, you can even mix them with other frozen fruits or candy for a unique frozen treat. All right.